Kilengut kibru wadarap bananam ha kajala he yato wa isap wa kidalai luti ki he im wa kentup ya ke Jessie Lyngdoh kawaman ka watho suru wa kawarwai kamju ka associate producer ha ka State of Mind Production u Ferdinand Rani u man kam u watho kubor kamju u content creator wa u kam ki dingdo u wachna film warindur ya ki film ni ka singi de Hiar ki ha Khliehriat Higher Secondary School East Giant Hill District wo khana kam man ilai luti yang ki hadu wo poi ki he kerdan na inam iburam kam man ki kani dawan wo ap usngau ye chem yumut wa kini ki lengut dagi khanna apure na ki skor wa pher we ya gani karan san da penman we pentok penteni dagi alumni na ki khanna skor wa rim ka Khliehriat Higher Secondary School kam chi benta ile kamen ye dap san paus nem gani ka skor itmu ki alumni wo penman kam gani karan san to wa kwa ki usngau tho ki khanna skor he to wa kalain pure mass media nei bha wa kani em ko bon jat kilat wa ye usdang khi yo imja hadin habon hejo ipor le langba yo alat ki khanna u ya kalam ya kali yumut na kini ki lengun man iwa penhun ye ki we yo mansin nei liang ka simi kong thiang kam ko wi na ko ju pure ha gani ka skor kentu ko ye ki khanna skor wa ab ha ki de miet ye sur wa wan na unut yong ki ha ki ka lain pure wa kwa ki na jrong wo ong le kani ka lain yarap ko open yar ye thi perkhat ki bro ha ki benta wa pher u brother Solomon Swear principal Khliehriat Higher Secondary School hawa kalam hadin wakut ke yalang dap udai sngau men wo yo ye it ye chim benta ki khanna skor wo kuli we ngai skemule de yo ki bon isngau tho he ya to wa kalain mass media wa social media
chai te single mo nga to ka in yo nga to ko man single te ko khana kini kam nu poi di te single.
See, nothing just happens that okay, before you should jam, you know, your goals, you have to have a vision that kills them. And how do you get there? Plan to give it to you. You should work hard, you should work hard. But if you want to be serious in any field, you have to have, a plan. The plan you can start first with small gigs. Sure. Start start rushing to this. You like neighbor. What you want on top of you, but you determined, brave on stage, not only that, also you have to educate yourself. Not only on YouTube, you have YouTube to learn so many things, vocal techniques, or even just anything. But educate yourself, be determined, know your goals, and see that. So, and actually, the filter jiwa one lah, kalau film record, kalau film ni, dia orang ini learn from mass media kan, learn kalau buat record kan mass media, kita ni software yang kita learn audition in mass media you can learn how to record a song, you know what types of microphones, then. From that, you take that track, you go into pre-production. Pre-production tu kerana mass media ni. Dan tu learn kodoman script, learn kodoman sinar kita scene, kita music video kita. Then another pre-production, let's say advertising itu. Kata advertising. Mass media ni, that's where I learned it. And aku pun advertise, aku grow, account juga, page juga. Okay.
My question to you is, do you feel like quitting the job when people put you down?
Very tough question. Maybe once, when I was at my lowest. But I had a lot of people, especially my family, they really put me out of that. dark side.
Sir Kamki. Sir, if there are boys or girls coming to you asking for suggestion, how will you counsel those group of students to you to take up film to production or film editing?
That's a very good question. To be very, very bluntly honest with you right now, it'll be difficult for me to encourage or discourage someone to get into filmmaking because there are times, so many times in fact, I wanted to change career, you know, because it gets tougher. I think so. What really drives us is the passion to tell stories, passion, you know, to communicate your ideas and to create images. But at the same time, sometimes our passion, you know, does not pay the bill sometimes. So I'm giving you guys a heads up, you know, it's not as glamorous or it's not as flowery as you may look at us. Sometimes I even quite reluctant to call myself a filmmaker because I don't know whether how much I have achieved and also whether I'm able to make a living out of filmmaking. But it's always been the passion. And if you talk about filmmaking as a career, it will give you 100% job satisfaction. You'll be satisfied. I would work, you know, almost 7 days a week. If I have to edit, you know, if I have to shoot something and edit, I'd spend like 18, 19 hours on the table straight. It gives you that satisfaction, that drive. But on the flip side, you have to balance it because if you're doing it just for the money or as a job, then put it in twice because it's not going to be easy. I think Kong Simi here would be a very, very good example. We always talk about this. She has 17 films under her belt. And then every time when we talk about, you know, film, she would doubt herself and even wanted to change careers. So I think she'd be the best person to encourage, you know, the youth of East Janta Hills about filmmaking. But again, yes, no doubt, you know, if you have the drive, if you have the passion, I think you should go for it. But just keep in mind, it's not going to be easy if you think that it's going to be a quick way to make money. But yes, if I have to guide or counsel anyone, I think so. First and foremost, not everyone is called to be a filmmaker. You know, I think so. Our career path, you know, be it music, be it filmmaking. Yes, we can study about it. You know, I did a course on mass media. Jessie hasn't, but he's still, you know, like one of the renowned media person in Shillong. So I don't think that studies would actually determine, you know, your career in filmmaking. It has to be a calling. If you are called, then, you know, like you can overcome any challenges and yes, whatever hardship you may face. So that's and it's encouragement with a bit of caution. I would like to tell the students of KHSS and also the youth of East Janta Hills. I mean, Jessie, you can add to that.
Well, I think, yeah, mass media being in the field, it's very difficult. It's not easy at all. You have to create your own job. You have to find, you know, projects every month. It's not like, you know, you go to the office, and, you know, 9 to 5, your work is done. But here, we have to find our own job. But the best thing though, I will let on like a secret, like for what project? For a videographer, okay. They earn 50,000 starting, and it goes on. But it's up to you how, you know, you have to also think like business minded. How do you earn every day? How you have to create your own, you know, routine. You have to discipline yourself. I think that's what I've been doing. So what I do is, during winters, it's music. You know, you earn from there, music, concerts, gigs, all that. But during summer, it's film production. You earn from that. Every day you have to have a plan. Suppose if you get into this field, and after studying, you always have to, you know, find projects, see how you manage. You have to manage yourself by your own self. Nobody's going to tell you what to do. So yeah.
Subject program ni mesti buat example jadi ya kecil dan yang kemas media. Buat example cerita ini kerja. Wah ini dia. Memang ini wah expose kerana feel harga kekal senafil untuk kekal untuk dok kedai kalau anda. Bon hari ini kini mass media. Then, first of all, director kami yang sudah dari Omni sudah, dan kami ya script writer. How are you getting parang? Kaya parang kuat kita script writer, kita parang. Nah, ada kami yang kami yung binari successful le, tangwa. Cakap coba cenen okay successful tanpa karena ini dalam ini tim you ada pas yang mas media ngapo jangan I will end up making film like let's say scope tanpa dominik event lah atau tanpa ada compare di film yang ada kita kisah ajarnya usah shoot ada ajar dan acara boleh compare equality equality they have any professional given the past in mass media kamu oleh kita script writer di author and film di DOP kamu kami bukannya kita script ini kita kurang karena lembaga kamera itu hadir kita kami ya editor kok ibu edit karena dalam aku tim shoot istilah kami itu sih karena tidak akan shoot ika which is part take lah kalau biar dan itu tahu itu editor kaki beauty you already kena ini ham nyara you ada channel what kabar file ada hari itu masih trong kelas 10 kalau lagi yang mulai harus medical lab yang jadi mulai nursing mau mulai doktor mau dan ini adalah start economy yang mas hak push ini hak jadi ini yang cindi kan engineering dari orang di hamas media pun hakikat ubah pun journalist hamas media lagi Long yok bijak ada interest ni fotografi le, hete yok cinematography. Wah gitu. Tengah kepada lima sekali ni, lalu senyap kamu buat kami ke orang macam ni feel kami story dalam dia yang dijemput na komisi lagi. Nana tu dalam feel. Tak lama kecak pun di feel. Tapi dia apa ni? Legit ini lagi school, cepat lagi school yang participate di. Lalu senyap ni untuk every tetap kamu pi, wah pursue ini kerja dan somehow apa yang terus untuk dan nara emang ini kerja, ini perlu lagi somehow pilih jadi tuh jemput dari kamu yang kenal ni. Lara kuat di bukan senang film mereka itu kuat di mana kau bawa kuat di di long senang story kau shoot dan ini idea ini ketika dan hari ini jadi shoot di cuma kau ini hari jadi katanya ini bawa ini nama lagi ini aspire singer sudah hari ini cuma visually akhirnya ini kamu jadi kuat di wah kata music video orang ini mana so nanti tahu jadi mas media dari orang di sini kerja di baiklah dari jam cek tidak ada kerja di rumah ada advance man ortodok jadi memang satu musim lagi. Tetapi kita one question dan one guidance di dalam bilik ini lah.